Question number 16 of exercise 6.5. The question says, in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equals to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So we have an equilateral triangle ABC and we want to prove that square of one of its side. I can take any one of its side. Square of that side is equals to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So what I am going to do, I am taking one of its side and one of its altitude. So first of all, just write what is already given in the question. So we are given a triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle, and also I am taking one of its altitude AD, which is perpendicular to BC. Why? Because I am going to prove that 3 times the square of one of its side is equals to 4 times the square of this altitude AD. Now, for proving this, what I am going to do, I am first proving that this AD is the perpendicular bisector of this triangle ABC. This is an equilateral triangle, and in an equilateral triangle, the altitude, median and perpendicular bisector, all of them are same, and I am just going to prove this thing. So for proving this thing, I am going to take ADB and ADC. These two triangle I am taking, and in these two triangle we have this side AB equals to this side AC, because this is an equilateral triangle. So AB equal to AC, this is already given in the question. This angle ADB, this angle ADB and this angle ADC, these two triangles are equal. And also we have AD equals to AD, this is the common side in both the triangle. So these two triangles are congruent by our RHS criteria. So by RHS criteria, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Now these two triangles are congruent, therefore the side BD is equals to side CD. Now these two sides are equal, therefore this AD is the perpendicular bisector of this line BC. So we can say this BD is equals to half of BC. So BD equals to half of BC. Why? Because BD equals to CD. We have BD equals to CD and BC equals to BD plus CD. So we can replace CD by BD because both are equal. So in this way, this BC equals to twice of BD, or you can say BD equals to half of BC. So we have BD equals to half of BC, and I am going to use this equation later for proving whatever I want to prove. So now I am taking triangle ADB. This is the triangle ADB, and in this triangle, this is a right angle. So this is a right angle triangle. I can apply Pythagoras theorem, which says that AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. So we have AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is required in the proof, AD square is required in the proof, but I don't need this BD. So I am going to replace this BD by the relation which I have proved above. This BD is equals to half of BC. So I am substituting the value of BD, which is equals to half of BC. So AB square equals to AD square plus 1 by 4 BC square. Now AB and BC both are equal sides. Why? Because we have an equilateral triangle. So this is an equilateral triangle. So AB equals to AC equals to BC. So what I am going to do, I am just replacing this BC side by AB. So AB square equals to AD square plus 1 by 4 of AB square. Now take this on the left hand side. So we get AB square minus 1 by 4 AB square equal to AD square, and this will become 3 by 4 of AB square equals to AD square, and Finally, we got 3 times AB square equals to 4 times AD square.